Good afternoon. My name is Aida, and today I will be presenting the engagement part for TEKS 4.6a, Geometry and Measurement, for fourth grade. They will identify points, lines, line segments, rays, angles, perpendicular, and parallel lines. First we have, oh, wait, sorry. I want to show you the materials that we have for today. We have sharp paper or the whiteboard, which I'm using the whiteboard. Markers. You can use Sharpies for the kids to write in the paper, and the dry erase ones for the whiteboard. We have tanagrams for the students to work on their own. We have bigger shapes for them to have different angles. Like the numbers will be bigger on these, obviously, because they're bigger. So we have the protractor and ruler. Okay, so the first one I have is the line. Okay, so a line has no end. The arrows at both ends indicate that the line goes forever in both sides. This is a ray. A ray has a starting point indicated by the point on one side. The other side has the arrow. The arrow, as we just read, goes on forever. This is another type of ray. It goes on the other direction. They are both rays. This is a line segment. The line segment have both a starting and an end point. The next one is going to be parallel lines. These are all examples of parallel lines. The parallel lines will never cross, they will never meet or touch, and they are always the same distance apart. The next one are angles. Here, even though there are 5 different types of angles, for the fourth graders, they will learn these 3 first. The right angle, the acute angle, and the obtuse angle. The right angle has exactly 90 degrees. The acute is less than 90, and the obtuse is greater than 90 and less than 180. Whenever we see this square here, sometimes it doesn't have the number 90, but we should know that this means 90 degrees. The next lines will be the perpendicular lines. They're all will have a right angle. And if one of the sides, one of the angles is a right angle, that means all of the other angles will be right angles as demonstrated here. And the arrows, we know that mean it will go on forever in every direction. All the angles would be 90 degrees. This one is the points. Points are important. Points help us identify the line segments. Here I have points X, Y, and Z. If a line has no point, like this example right here, we call it the line Z. If there are 2 or more points, we call them according to the segments. For example, here I have a line and it has 3 points, X, Y, and Z. So we will use this line on top for the segments. XY, YZ, and XZ. All right, after explaining this, I would have the students come up and draw some of these, like the angles or the line segments, perpendicular, and then we will break and practice on our own and meet up, and I will correct them or help them out if they didn't understand something. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it.